Hello everyone, welcome to the upcoming programmer channel. In this video we are going to learn about how we can install the WordPress for free. Along with that we will get a free domain, free hosting, and all the plugins of the WordPress will be free. Like if you have chosen a subject named as digital marketing, so we have to work on website for search engine optimization. On that case we need to have a website on which we can apply some like concept of search engine optimizations. So if you are going to use the official website of the WordPress from here, like it's providing 7 or 10 days for free hosting. But after installation of website or domain or hosting, you will find that if you are going to install any of the plugin, you have to purchase a premium plan. So if you are not getting a free like any of the plugin, then there is no any advantage of this. So we have to work on some of the plugins for SEO. So this website is not going to work for free. And for the education purpose, like we are students and we are not going to pay a single amount, means single rupees for all these. So for the solution of this, we are going to have our entire website into a different website. Like for that we have to type on Google InfinityFree. So after searching this, you will find this website. Like the first one, it is the official website. So here we have to log in with our Gmail account. So after that you have to enter your credential, like your email ID and your password. I have already created account, but in the first time you have to create your own account by your credential. So I'm just entering all the data here. So I have entered my login ID and password, and now I am in my dashboard. This is my profile in InfinityFree, and here you can see that it provides you here active accounts. Like it provides you 3 websites to be hosted. Like you can host here 3 websites for free, and I have already hosted a single account. So I'm going to let you know how you can create your account, how you can get free domain, free hosting, and in that how you can install the WordPress. So let's start it. You have to first create your account. You have to click on this button and you will get all the plans here, like InfinityFree, Starter Premium, Super Premium, Ultimate Premium. So here we can see that in InfinityFree we don't have to pay anything. It's a $0. So we are going to first create now, and we have to say that yes, I'm not a robot. And for getting a free domain you have to enter, like you have to enter any name. Like here I am typing like LPU. I want to get a domain related to the LPU. So after entering that LPU, you have to check the like it is available or not. So it is subdomain, domain. It will mix like domain and subdomain and provide you a free single domain. So let's check it. Like you will get a free account username here, like account label. Now we have a domain name, but we have to enter a password for creating account. So we are going to enter a password. Password should be strong and it should contain numbers and alphabet only, no special characters here. So okay, let's check create account. Yes, it's creating our account, means we are going to get a free domain from here. We have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So as we can see that like our domain is ready, it's providing this domain, but currently nothing will be on this domain. We are going to search it on Google. It says that this is the official, providing the official website, and nothing is being hosted here. So what we have to do, we have to install the WordPress on this domain. So for that we have to go to the control panel and we have to click on approve, we are going to approve it. And after that, if you are going to edit website, you will get site builder, means the default website builder, but we are looking for WordPress. For that we have to go down, and here we have to click on app installer. Here if you are going to click, you will get a dashboard. On that dashboard we have to, first we have to install WordPress. There are multiple website builders are here, but we have to work on WordPress. So we will click install. So it will ask for some credential like a username, password, and domain and everything. So we are going to create the admin username. This admin username will be used for login to the WordPress admin panel. So I'm going to enter my name and password. Okay, so we have entered everything username, password, and it's showing that we are going to use 6.7.1 version of WordPress. So we are going to ready to launch. We are going to click on install, and if everything is okay, now WordPress is installing in our domain. So we are going to wait for 1 or 2 minutes and WordPress will be installed in our domain, and we are going to use that entire website for free. Yes, now we can see that software was installed successfully, and here it's providing two URLs. First is for official website URL, and second one is for using login to our admin panel for the WordPress. So we have to copy it, and you can save it in your notepad or in your WordPad, anywhere it can be used further. So right now, if you are going to log in, it will show some error because it takes times half an hour or 1 hour to right now it's not taking time. So if you are going to enter the username, I have entered this username and the password was yeah. So we are now back to our WordPress dashboard and my blog. This is the first page, and if you have to install plugins, you have to go in plugins and add new plugins, and first we are going to use the rank math. Rank math, earlier we see that if you are using the WordPress official website, we have to pay 700, means we have to purchase the premium plan. But by using this, we can see that we can install any of the plugin for free. So for that, I'm giving you a demo. Yes, it's installed, and in the yes, we have installed the rank math SEO, and we can activate it from here. So we have to do some setup for the rank math SEO here. We have to connect our Google account. We have to fill some details why we are going to use this website. For other we are going to use install Elementor. Yes, where is Elementor? King Adobe Elementor for free. Yes. Now you can install any of the plugin for free, and we can create posts. We can apply the search engine optimization in your any page. Here, if you are writing a content for your blog, and if you have to apply the search engine optimization, you can directly by using any of the plugin. You can yes, you can see that we have activated the plugin and it's working well, fine. So by this way we can use we can host entire website, we can get a free domain, we can install the WordPress. Along with that, we are going to install all of the plugin for free. We are not going to pay a single rupee for all these. So we can do the entire digital marketing operation on this. So I think this video help you, and thank you for watching this video. For next topic, I will be back with the next video. Thank you for watching this video.